If you've done any level of customization on your Squarespace website with CSS or HTML or JavaScript, then you'll have probably come across collection IDs. And what a collection ID is the ID, so the ID number of a page, like of a full page on Squarespace. So if you think about it like this, you have a collection ID, which is the page, then you have section IDs, and then within the sections you have blocks and they have their own IDs. So it's a random string of numbers that identify a specific page on your website. And so if you want code to apply only to a specific page, then you're going to want to use these collection IDs. And luckily, we have a tool which is just phenomenal for helping us out. If you want to add code and you want to target a specific page, this is the tool for you. So I'm going to show you it now. So this is a Chrome extension, meaning if you're on Safari or Firefox or Brave or whatever. Actually, Brave may have Google Chrome plugins. Not sure. You can check that. But to be on the safe side, use it on Chrome. So it's called Squarespace ID Finder. It was initially developed by Heather Tovey, and the ever wonderful Will Myers took it over, and he is making constant improvements. So shout out Will and shout out Heather. Anyway, you want to install this onto your browser, and once it's installed, you'll just see it up here. Then if we go onto our site, you can see when we click it, we get all of our different IDs. So collection, section, block. And because I love making reams and reams of content, I'm going to do a separate video for collection, section, and block because I'm nice like that. Anyway, if you want to get the collection ID, you simply just click it like this. And you can tell you've got the right thing because when you hover, it will highlight everything. So with a collection ID, it's just obviously going to highlight the whole thing. With block, it's going to highlight the block. So we know that we've got the right collection ID. We click on this and you can see it's copied, really clear. We go into pages and I'll just show you a really brief example. So custom CSS, we paste our collection ID, which you can see is here. And inside our squiggly brackets, we can make our coding changes on this page only. So let's say I want to make this text here red. I'll say P, and then I'll say color red. And then we'll just say important. Lovely jubbly, we've made the text red. We can make it even bigger. So let's say font size. But we only want it on this page. Great. So let's try the portfolio and see how that's looking. Well, we'll find our paragraph text, once we go in here, is not red and it's not massive. So that is a win. And you can see just how integral this block ID finder and identifying the collection ID is to coding on Squarespace. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website and make your text red and large, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.